A 3-hour walking tour, millions of years in the making. Hello and welcome to the Kona Cloud Forest guided walking tours. Experience a total immersion among some of the most exotic trees, plants, and flowers on Earth. We are the official Kona Cloud Forest tour on the island of Hawaii. TripAdvisor rates the Kona Cloud Forest tours as one of the best on the island of Hawaii. TripAdvisor has also awarded Kelly Dunn and the Kona Cloud Forest with its highest achievement, the Certificate of Excellence. Your guide, Kelly Dunn, is known as a professional storyteller. Tour guests comment that Kelly is very knowledgeable, personable, and funny too. Tours are available 7 days a week, every day of the year, of course, weather permitting. If you love nature, this is the walking tour you will remember for a lifetime. The Kona Cloud Forest is the only cloud forest in the United States. Located at 3,000 feet above sea level, we are only a 20-minute drive from downtown Kona. Kona International Airport is only 9 miles from the Kona Cloud Forest. A great tour for all ages. We accept all major credit cards. All tours are by phone appointment only. We offer public and private tours. For reservations and details, call today, 808-640-3888. Aloha and mahalo from the island of Hawaii.